After Job endured the severe testing from Satan, and after his friends had a personal encounter with me, they all received an attitude adjustment. Job responded to my correction by saying, "I know that you can do anything and no one can stop you. You ask who it is who foolishly denied your providence. It is I. I was talking about things I knew nothing about and did not understand the things far too wonderful for me." Job's friends stopped criticizing him, and they made sacrifices to me as I instructed them to. Job prayed for his friends, who had become his accusers, and I restored to him his wealth and happiness. In fact, I even gave Job twice as much as he had before. I created all things, and by me all things are held together. I can make all grace abound toward you, so that you will always have everything you need and have plenty left over to share with others. Trust me today, and let me show you my ways. My ways are far higher than your ways, and my thoughts are far higher than your thoughts.